Hey, what's happening? You probably heard about DeepSeek already. It's the latest AI model that is apparently very close to and even better than ChatGPT. And in this video, we're going to talk about how to use it as a regular human being that doesn't know how to code or doesn't know how to develop anything like that. So let's get started. For this, you would have to go to deepseek.com website. Depending on your country, you probably have a fake website already. So make sure that you're on deepseek.com. It looks like this. We have three different options on how to use it. One is you can actually download the actual AI model. It requires about 10 GB file storage and some coding knowledge as well. But your data would be stored locally. Nothing would be connected to the internet. We're not going to do that. The second option is using their website. You can use the actual model, or the third option is downloading the application. So we're going to talk about these two options. On the website, we can click on Start Now option and simply log into our account. You can use an email account or directly connect it to your Gmail ID. At the top here, we have the actual logo of DeepSeek. Right next to it is the sidebar menu hiding option, where if you don't want to see any of these options here, you can click it, it'll hide away. And if you click it back again, it will show up. Underneath it, you have the history of all the chats that you have previously done with DeepSeek, and it remembers your previous conversation. So if you click on it, you can continue from where you left off, which is a really handy feature. Underneath that is the Get App option, where you can click and it generates a code. You can scan it using your smartphone camera and it will open up the application. Underneath that is the My Profile option, where you click it, you can change a few settings, delete all the chat history, or contact DeepSeek in an event where you want to talk to them. And if you want to log out option is right here. This screen on the right side is the entire interaction screen, where you can talk to the DeepSeek model. You can write a text, it'll answer that. The blue option appears to send the actual message. You click on it and it'll send the message off. The Deepthink R1 model is the actual model that you would use if you were solving a problem based off of reasoning. So it will go back and forth. It depends on the type of research that you're doing. You might be needing that model. If you wanted to go and search internet for your answers, you can click the search option. And if you want to attach any image or PDF for it to extract text from, you can do that by pressing this button right here. And once it generates any of the search results, it will show you exactly which pages did it go through, and you can click it and go through it and all those things. Now, since the AI model's results are actually just based off of previous research or all the data that is available on the internet, it might not be accurate. So that's why we have the message that says AI generated for references only. This is your responsibility to figure out if the answer is right or not. And that's basically it. Something called prompt writing is a very, very good skill to have, where you need to understand exactly what you're looking for and how to ask the AI for it to give you the exact answer that you're looking for. So you need to structure your question in a way that AI would understand it in every step of the way, where it needs to generate that specific answer with those specific things that you asked about. And the best way to figure out how to write it is to ask the AI model itself. This is what I'm looking for. Give me a prompt that would generate the best answer from you. The AI is going to help you write it and give you the answer based off of that as well. And most of the times you would not get the right answer. You would have to dig deep in it in order to get the exact answers that you want. Now let's move on over to the app itself. So once you downloaded the application, you can log in using your account logins, and on the main dashboard you would see the actual chat, where you can start typing out anything you want to ask the AI, just like in the desktop version. You can select the deep think option, search option, also include any attachments. OCR in the photos and images actually stands for the act of extracting text from it. So it's going to use those photos and images just to extract text from it, nothing else. It's a really cool and advanced feature for the AI models to understand what text a picture might have. And that's basically it. Hopefully this helps, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.